Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove watermark from any image without any paid tools. We are going to do this in a very simple step. Click on the link given below in the description box, then you will be redirected on the website named as watermarkremover.io, and in the home page you will get an option to upload image. Click on that and then you need to choose that image on which you have watermark. Okay, here we have an image that has watermark of free pic, but in the another image we do not have any kind of watermark, but the image quality is reduced as compared to the original one, but it can help you to remove your watermark. So now you need to scroll a little bit down and then you need to click on download image, and from here you can easily open that image and you can see that there is no watermark available here. So I hope this video helped you to remove the watermark of any image, and if you like this video then hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye.